Hey guys, first welcome back to our techies, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you fix or repair a corrupted pen drive or SD card or hard drive. So here it is. It's my think it's 32 GB SanDisk hard drive, and it seems completely corrupted when I try to connect this to my laptop. It just simply says format this pen drive, but however I can't able to format that. So let's see while connecting that what does it says. So simply I am just connecting my hard drive. So here it is simply saying format that disk. So when I try to click format, everything selected, start. Okay, it's saying the disk is the disk write is protect. So I'm not able to format my hard drive. It's simply saying this disk write is protected. So again, Windows can't format E. So again, let's remove my hard drive and simply connect it again. Again, you see we need to format this drive before you can use it. So when I try to click on format, it's simply saying okay, the disk is protected. So in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix this kind of issues, and whenever you can't format that, simply go to this website ourtechies.com, or you can search how to repair corrupted pen drive our techies. So you just simply go. I also add this link in the description. You can just simply check out there and download that and simply install it in your PC. Simply run once. Here it is. And now just simply 32 GB, select this as non-bootable. Select that same. Okay, simply select as it is. Now simply start. Okay, I'm deleting that, formatting my. So okay, now this, now it's something seems ready to use. Here it is. Here it is, 32 GB auto. It's now ready to use. So this is the best way basically you can. So this is drive 32 GB. I can get all the storage here, and even let's see, check to just simply copy and pasting one. Is it working or not? Since okay, and let's again format that disk. From here, simply format. Okay, now it's completely working. You can even format from here as well. So this is the basically best way you can repair your SD card, pen drive or hard drive in that way. So if you like this video, then please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this.